plea. An urgent and emotional request.
But even more objectionable were Mo's insipid comments, a desperate plea for affection which fell as flat as the hair on my head.
You're going to take that plea, and you're going to help them make the arrest.
Weary. Very tired.
Raggedy man!
Go, Lois! Pummel him with your powerful fists of female fury. And then when he's weary, emasculate him with your incessant nagging. Women.
He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak.
Collide. To hit something violently.
The dinosaurs ruled the Earth for millions of years, until a massive asteroid collided with the Earth, bringing their reign to an end.
A diving bird capable of generating speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, turning itself into a missile as it collides with the face of the sea.
Confirm. To say that something is definitely true.
Monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
Well, a kid flew right off.
Good morning, Southside Reef. I'm Katie Current, keeping it current. We've just received official confirmation. The sharks are gone. I repeat, the sharks are gone.
Don't worry.
Verify. To check or prove that something is correct or true.
Plant origin verified.
Security access verified.
Anticipate. To imagine or expect that something will happen.
But anticipating your opponent's moves and devising countermeasures.
Brady, what's happening?
I've added the ingredients. It's more powerful than anticipated. I don't think I can do it.
Okay, Brady, you can.
Dilemma. A situation in which it is very difficult to decide what to do.
Ah, look there, my love. Classic mortal dilemma. Two boys, best friends, no less.
Oh, in love with the same girl.
Lois, now this poses a very difficult ethical dilemma. Do I deliver the package to its rightful owner, or do I open it up and see if it contains He-Mans?
Do not open.
Detour. A different or less direct route to a place.
Hey! If we keep on the main roads, we're gonna get caught. I found a detour. It's safer. Okay.
I took a detour on Haley, got lost in the brush and went down a dirt road. What's all this now?
Merit. An advantage or good feature of something.
No. Meg, as a girl, your life holds no merit. And Chris, try as you may, you will never be as good as your older brother who died. He was good at sport.
You're getting the highest award of merit of the clandestine services of these United States.
Transmit. To send or pass something from one person, place or thing to another.
Of course! Captain, I sent a radio message from the Caribou Jean. I know what radio frequency they're transmitting on.
Well, how does that help us?
And inside, she holds hundreds of these little sensors, which when released in the tornado will transmit back data on wind speed, pressure.
Relieve. To make a problem less difficult or serious.
Otto, you are relieved of duty.
Your family's ranch is nothing but a wasteland now. Sign the deed and relieve yourself of your father's burden.
Baffle. If something baffles you, you cannot understand or explain it at all.
Sitting in your bonded warehouse with the ex-professional soldiers doing the dirty work, while you deliver the highly suspect educational lecture to baffle your opponents and cover your tracks.
Police were baffled when no body was found at the scene, but they decided it was best not to ask questions and just let everyone get on with their lives.